This research is about the background of the body fat reduction and antioxidant effect of Calamansi Detox diet. The detox diet method has been spotlighted by the researchers of this video, and the effect of this is to be studied further in this video. Therefore, the study on whether it is effective in reducing body fat has been conducted. In addition, we will study whether there is antioxidant effect. What is detox? Detox refers to the release of toxins, the process of the detoxification or neutralization in our bodies. Detoxification therapy promotes the body's self-healing mechanism through a variety of methods to remove harmful toxins from the body, leading to a healthy state. Then, what is antioxidant? The inhibition of oxidation is a concept that often appears when explaining the aging process of cells and how to prevent them. In other words, aging of cells means oxidation of cells. Oxygen, which enters the body through human breathing, also has beneficial effect of producing energy for the human body. However, this process produces free radicals, which are extra oxygen, which is bad for the body. As the image shows, the free radical attack normal cells in the body and act as a cause of aging or various diseases. Therefore, the removal of this active oxygen is a method of preventing the oxidation, aging of the cells. The antioxidant is to inhibit the oxidation of such cells. The use of vitamin therapy, antioxidant excretes the toxin emission because it helps detoxify toxins. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that cause cellular mutations and damage cells. This is the ways to measure antioxidant effects. As referred previously, calamansi is going to be used. Calamansi is a fruit that originally comes from Southeast Asia. It contains a lot of vitamin C. It is effective for dry cough and cold when drinking water with honey and calamansi juice. It also helps boost immunity, prevent tooth decay, and reduce toothache. It also contains pectin, which lowers blood cholesterol levels, and it is also effective in preventing cardiovascular diseases such as atherosclerosis. The amount of the fat in the body, which is an energy store that stores the excess nutrients left and consumed in the nutrients ingested in the body. If the body fat is greater than normal obesity, then can cause high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and other adult diseases. Obesity refers to the accumulation of excess fat tissue in the body. Excessive intake of nutrients relative to energy consumption causes obesity due to energy imbalance. This increases the likelihood of developing diabetes, hyperlipidemia, and increases the risk of developing sexual dysfunction, arthritis, and cardiovascular diseases. There are many popularly known diet methods. There are Empire diet to reduce obesity by reducing carbohydrate intake, Danish diet to eat food using mostly baked or steamed recipes consisting of high proteins, low calorie diet, or one food diet, detox diet, and intermittent fasting. In this research, I will focus on the Calamansi Detox diet. Now for objectives. The aim of this study was to investigate the effect of calamansi on body weight and fat mass. We examined antioxidant effects of calamansi by measuring fatigue rate. For the experiment, calamansi on InBody 570 and a specimen, in this case 45 people were needed. 45 people were the numbers that we got from the G-Power program as a sample size. We drank calamansi solution for a month while doing some exercise at least for 1 hour. The ratio of the calamansi solution was 1:10, undiluted solution to water. The plan in this following table was repeated 4 times. This is the calamansi solution that we drank. It was very sour. This table shows the average age, height, weight, body fat rate, and degree of fatigue, As planned, BMI and degree of fatigue were measured 5 times on fasting every Wednesday for 4 weeks, from April 3rd to May 6th. This is the result of the representative samples. These samples are from my co-experimenters and I. The weights of A and B didn't decrease constantly, and sometimes it even increased in between. However, the weight of C has been constantly decreasing due to good exercising. The fat mass was also determined similarly to the result of the weight. The fatigue rate was reduced uniformly in 3 samples, and the amount of charges were noticeable. Prior to the experiment, all 3 of us were in severe to moderate fatigue. However, following the detox diet, fatigue rate decreased gradually and eventually it became moderate to mild fatigue. In this page, the graphs were created with the results of the representative samples. The average of the 3 results of the 45 students were calculated. The perfect score of fatigue rate is 63, so I converted the score to percentage. The average rate is shown graphically to make the changes more recognizable. All 3 variables decreased, unlike our 3 samples which had the average rate and fat mass of the 45 individuals were all reduced and a substantial change rate was obtained. This table calculates the rate of the change above the average values. Rate is reduced by 6%, fat mass by about 9%, and fatigue rate about 20%. Among the 3, the rate that decreased the most is the fatigue rate. The Calamansi Detox diet was very effective while doing some exercise compared to my other co-experimenters who just drank the Calamansi solution. The Calamansi Detox diet seemed to have different effects depending on each person. As for the fatigue rate, the Calamansi Detox diet seemed to decrease effectively. The Calamansi Detox diet was helpful in excreting the wastes out from the body. If you are trying out the Calamansi Detox diet, I think it should be a lot effective to exercise as well, even at least 1 hour per day. These are my reference for my video. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching my video.